If you want to enable or disable flashlight on Motorola Edge 60 Pro, we have two main ways to do so. The first method is to go to the control center, and over here you should be able to find the flashlight button. In my case it is over here, so I can just simply tap on this button in order to turn it on or off. There is also one more way, more precisely a gesture that allows you to quickly enable and disable the flashlight. So we're gonna go to the settings. Over here we're gonna scroll down to gestures, and then here we should be able to find fast flashlight. And now as you can see, we have the demonstration of what we need to do in order to toggle the flashlight. So let me quickly show you. Of course, over here we can turn this gesture on or off. So if we perform 2 chopping moves, there we go. As you can see, we can enable, and for some reason it doesn't work to turn off. There we go. And we can disable. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.